Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How do you do? Greeting from Indonesia. I am Ayu Nurdia. I am the author of this paper. Please allow me to introduce our team. First, Mr. Supriyadi, then Miss Winarti, and lastly, Miss Alfi Fitriana with our paper advisor, Mr. Sukianto. And our title paper is Development Efficiency Integration Ecosystem PT Agni Manggala Nusa Beyond Society 5.0. And this presentation was presented on the second International Conference on Management and Science, Pamulang University. Some of the points that we will present are: first, introduction. The second one is method, then result and discussion, and lastly, conclusion. Let me start with some general information, the concept of Society 5.0 and profile of PT Agni Manggala Nusa. Fukuyama in 2018 said, in the concept of Society 5.0, the industry is one of the sectors that are required to continue to innovate because of the growing development of information and communication technology or digitalization. According to Elitan 2020, if Industry 4.0 places technology only as a machine or tool to access information, then Society 5.0 emphasizes that technology and its function have become part of human life. With Society 5.0, many companies are rising to develop technology as a tool or medium to survive and win the competition. With the help of technology in doing business, even with technology, companies can generate targeted revenue even more. One company that utilizes technology is Agni Manggala Nusa. It's a distributor of car and building window film in Indonesia that markets throughout Indonesia. Since 2020, Agni Manggala Nusa is one of the companies affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. With the management of Agni Manggala Nusa changed the market system, which initially only sold products to partners spread across Indonesia. And currently, Agni Manggala Nusa opens outlets that will be spread throughout Indonesia. Now, we come to the next point, the definition of cost and integration. The first one is definition of cost. The cost might be characterized as the money related worth, everything being equal, made to accomplish a goal, for example, to create labor and product. Cost is very significant in business dynamics, and cost of creation gives the floor to estimating. And the second one is definition of integration. In general, the notion of integration includes many different or interrelated activities, with integration being combined into one system that process and sustain one another. Further, Litan et al. Said the integration of information systems for a company is more necessary than ever before, because there are dozens or hundreds of individual applications, which means high cost and a lot of time to adopt information. In conducting this study, qualitative approach is used to analyze the data. To obtain data that is needed as material for discussion in this paper, and the collection of data with field research, the author uses three methods, namely, first, sampling and investigation, namely by asking for samples to document used by the company concerned with research problem. Then, observation, namely making observation directly at the location research on the object to be studied and discuss it, as well as collect as much data of information as possible related to the problem to be studied. And lastly, interview, namely by asking several questions that related to the topics discussed to the parties concerned. From the integration process that is still running today, it can be seen that the current COVID-19 pandemic condition Companies are required to stay able to generate profitability by reducing costs by simplifying manual work process toward an integrated system. With the basic concept of cost integration, how can the system connect each outlet to the same server and connect to the internet? This is very useful when applied by companies to speed up providing accurate information. And this cost integration scheme describes the expected system and emphasizes the process to simplify and speed up the activities of each outlet to make report that will be received by the head office, which is connected to the system. So, this cost integration system is being developed and will be implemented in the future. At the analysis stage, it can be interpreted using a use case diagram. The use case diagram is a functional description that is expected from a system. What is emphasized from this use case diagram is what the system does, and not how a use case represents an interaction between actor and the system. And the actors in this cost integration are outlet, financial, and direction, as you can see on our slide. In the future, with a cost integration management system, the company can make it easier to carry out work process, cost efficiency, and save time in processing data and generating the required company data. In addition, with the rapid development of information system and increasing competition from competitors, companies participate in adapting in the era of Society 5.0. Society 5.0 can be said to be the integration of virtual and physical space so that everything becomes easy with artificial intelligence. This can minimize the gap in mindset and technological orientation of each workplace so that they can have integrity between human and technology later. In the last of our slide, let me sum up the conclusion. Based on the result of the explanation, PT Agni Manggalanusa made a cost integration system. This system was created to help simplify the cost reporting process for each outlet and head office. This cost integration system helped in inputting every sales transaction, cost, and income statement per outlet. In addition, interested parties can access and view reports in real time and can be viewed everywhere. I think that's all our presentation. Thanks for your attention. We hope you found this presentation useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.